Today, I am reviewing the Push Pin Travel Map. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a traveler, or if you simply love the idea of capturing a lifetime of adventures in a single, stunning visual piece, you need to check out the Push Pin Travel Map. This is the Executive World Edition, beautifully enclosed in a sleek black frame. Measuring 27.5 inches by 39.5 inches, this isn't just a simple wall map. It is a premium piece of custom art that completely transforms whatever room you decide to hang it in. Let's start with the overall design and aesthetic. The Executive World Map features a gorgeous, antique-style color palette that feels deeply classic, sophisticated, and warm. Because it balances those vintage-rich tones with crisp, up-to-date cartography, it strikes the perfect balance between an old-world explorer vibe and modern-day accuracy. The black frame option gives it a stark, contemporary border that contrasts beautifully with the warm map colors. This clean frame ensures that the piece fits seamlessly into practically any decor style, whether your home is modern, rustic, traditional, or minimalist. What truly separates this map from cheap posters or mass-produced wall hangings is the incredible craftsmanship. Every single map is carefully handcrafted right here in the United States. You can feel the quality the moment you unbox it. The map itself is printed with high-quality ink on premium material that features a rich, subtle texture. It is then professionally dry-mounted to a sturdy foamcore board underneath. This means the surface remains perfectly flat, durable, and won't warp over time. When you push a pin into the board, it slides in smoothly and holds firmly without slipping out or ruining the map face. Speaking of pins, the map arrives at your door completely ready to go. It includes a starter kit of 150 round push pins right in the box. Having these multiple colors gives you an amazing, interactive way to track your journeys. A popular method is to use one color for all the incredible past adventures you have already taken, a second color for your ultimate bucket list dream destinations, and a third color for your absolute favorite vacation spots. The process of opening the box, sitting down with a loved one, and placing those first few pins is an experience full of nostalgia and joy. It forces you to pause, reminisce on old memories, and tell stories about past trips that you might not have thought about in years. At the same time, looking at the open spaces left on the map sparks a sense of wonder and inspires you to start planning your next big journey. Because of its impressive scale and distinct look, it instantly becomes the focal point of any room. Whether you place it in your living room, a home office, a bedroom, or even a commercial space like a waiting room or office lobby, it acts as an absolute magnet for conversation. Guests can't help but walk up to it, study the pins, and ask about your travels, which naturally leads to sharing wonderful stories and connection. If you are looking for a unique, unforgettable gift for a wedding, an anniversary, a retirement, a graduation, or a birthday, this travel pin map is an exceptional choice. It is a thoughtful, high-quality keepsake that grows more valuable and personal with every single country visited. It is not just a decoration. It is a visual reflection of a lifetime of shared memories and future dreams. Highly recommended for anyone who loves to explore the world,